Bitcoin Hyper is going viral right now. They just raised over 5 millions now and we're gonna have an update, guys. So welcome everyone, Alessandro here, and thank you very much, of course, as always, for your great support out there. Guys, we are reaching almost 2,000 subscribers, and today we're gonna select also the winner of the last 1,000 subscribers, a special $100 giveaway. So we're gonna select today the lucky winner. So make sure to be staying tuned until the end, especially if you are the winner, and share this video and this channel, of course, with all your friends, guys, because as soon as we are reaching 2,000 subscribers, we're gonna do the next giveaway. And today we're gonna talk about Bitcoin Hyper. Remember, guys, that this is all no financial advice. I'm just sharing everything that I'm trading here in the crypto space. Whatever I'm buying and selling, I'm sharing that with you. So everything is my own price speculations and price analysis about different crypto projects that you can, of course, check out here in the video description. New upcoming crypto projects such as Bitcoin Hyper, the one that we're gonna cover today. So Bitcoin Hyper, guys, is currently raising more and more funds. As you can see, over 5 millions, and also more and more articles are now coming out. If Bitcoin Hyper maybe is the next best upcoming altcoin to buy right now, and it's just not just an altcoin, it is a layer 2 on top of Bitcoin and also a meme coin. And here also in this article it's written that this one is going currently viral, and many people are jumping on board because, of course, this could be the next big layer 2. Very often we are seeing layer 2s on Bitcoin coming out, like the Lightning Network, Optimism, and so on. And this is another one that will come out, but this time here it is possible to make payments, meme coins, and also decentralized apps as well. And also here there are many arguments why Bitcoin Hyper is, of course, maybe a great investment to do right now, since everyone is so bullish for the crypto market, included myself. So I am expecting that Bitcoin will go to much higher levels, and that's why also I'm buying into Bitcoin layer 2s like Bitcoin Hyper, and also altcoins, of course, especially when they have to do with something with Ethereum or Solana. And here you can also read that, of course, we have a lot of Ethereum layer 2s around, such as Arbitrum and Optimism and so on. And it is, of course, very known that most of the things are built up on Ethereum right now. And that's why I think that also Ethereum is very much underrated right now, and most likely also will enter into a huge bull run very soon, hopefully, and create new all-time highs. At least this is my own expectation. And therefore, of course, it is also good that we have something on top of Bitcoin as well for this bull run. And that's why I think that right now Bitcoin Hyper is a great coin to keep and to buy. You can enter, of course, during the pre-market phase into this coin. Here on the dashboard you can see that you can buy and stake it for 192% rewards, or just buy also without staking. Everything is possible. As always, guys, click the link in the video description to Bitcoin Hyper, and then if you click here buy Hyper, you can connect your wallet. And I am using usually MetaMask. You can also use Phantom and others, of course, as well. Every of them is working. What you need is, of course, just to top up some of Tethers or Ethereum. So you need some cryptos, you have to top it up, and then, of course, you can interact here with the website. And you can buy with Tether, Binance, Ethereum, and so on. This is, of course, possible, and you can also stake it for 192% rewards. This is exactly what I'm doing here. I'm staking all my coins that I bought, and of course currently I have more coins than I purchased at the beginning. And here also you can get some updates on the project itself, when it's coming out and so on, why Bitcoin Hyper is so good and so on. So you can read everything through yourself. Important is that we can, of course, invest into the pre-market phase, that this one is hyped and currently is raising a lot of funds, and of course that also the audits have been done here, the Consult and Spywolf from third parties. So everything should be okay with the project, and that's why I'm buying in right now. And of course I am extremely bullish for this project as well. So stay tuned, guys, and be subscribed, because we definitely are going to cover Bitcoin Hyper more and more, especially once we have updates, when it's coming out and so on. You can also join their social media platforms. Up here you have Telegram and also the X account. If you tune in here on X, you can, of course, also subscribe to them and also check out all the newest updates that they are doing. You can see that they also have celebrated here the 5 millions that they have just raised, and this is, of course, insane. The community is getting bigger and bigger here. So definitely stay tuned with Bitcoin Hyper. And now, guys, let's select the lucky winner of the last $100 giveaway. And therefore, let's go to the giveaway video. Whenever you see $100 giveaway, guys, this is the video where you always have to comment whatever you want. And if you're the lucky winner, I'm gonna, of course, randomly select you. And the more I see active in all videos, so not only on this one, but the more active I see you in all my videos, commenting, liking, subscribing, and so on, sharing the video, and so on, then of course, the more likely it is that I'm gonna select you as the lucky winner. And it is also possible to win multiple times, guys. So only because you just won once, it doesn't mean that you cannot win twice. Because if I see you even more active than before and even more crazy and so on, then of course I will select you again as the lucky winner if you're the lucky winner. So in today's video, we're gonna select the next winner, and the winner, I think it's clear, because in the last couple of days and weeks, you have been very, very active, and that's why I told you guys that the more you're active, the more likely it is that I'm gonna select you as the lucky winner. Not only if you're commenting like 10 videos and then I never hear anything anymore about you. So that's why very important that you are subscribed, that you keep commenting whatever you want. Good morning, goodbye, hello, how are you, and so on. Very nice TA on Bitcoin, for example, whatever you want, guys. And then of course, most likely gonna select you as the lucky winner. And if you're sharing also the video with all your friends and with everyone, we're most likely gonna reach the next 1,000 subscribers milestone at 2,000 subscribers, guys, 2,000. So that's why make sure to be part of this journey. And the lucky winner of this giveaway is maybe Alei, maybe not this time, maybe the next time, who knows that. Then we have here Ada Simpson, maybe you, maybe also next time, we will see. But the one that I have seen almost in every video, and especially commenting as the first comment in almost every video, it was Let Lewis, this guy over here. So hello Let Lewis, you are the lucky winner. Congratulations. Make sure to be to contact me over on Telegram. And I'm gonna leave the link to my Telegram channel here at the top in the video description. So make sure to be using that link to contact me over there, and then I give you instructions how to verify that it's actually you, and then you are the lucky winner of the $100 worth of meme coins giveaway. I'm not sure yet what kind of meme coin I will give away. Maybe it's Bonk, maybe again Dogecoin or Pepe. We will see. In the past we have done it already with Doge and Pepe. So we will see what it will be this time. And I just see that my screen got frozen now, nothing is moving anymore. And that's why I think it's a good moment to wrap this video up, guys. So congratulations to Let Lewis. Contact me here with the Telegram link in the video description. You're the lucky winner. Maybe you're gonna win also the next time if you continue like that. I like that very much. So thank you very much for your great support. And yeah, our crypto community is getting bigger and bigger, guys. And that's why feel free to be subscribed here. And yes, now my PC is back. Yeah, this is the BitUnix event. You can also sign up to BitUnix and get here some nice additional rewards. Of course, this is what you can get here if you're using my link that is also right at the top in the video description. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.